how to enable or disable show notifications on app icons on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we now scroll down and then tap on home screen. Next, scroll down and from here, tap on app icon badges, tap on the left hand side and then tap on notifications on app icons. So tap on that to turn it on or switch it off. Now when you turn it on, you can see that if I go back to my home screen and for my text messages app, I have 2 notifications. Now if I touch and hold on the app, it will show my notifications. So it will show briefly down here. So you can see that it shows incoming call, text messages. So what happens if I turn off the option? So here if I switch that off, and now if I touch and hold, you can see it does not show the notification details. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.